Hello, everyone. My name is Laura Martin, and I'm so excited that you are here in our sneak peek into coaching group and that you're watching this video. I'm going to keep it bright and keep it brief, I hope, like Chalene Johnson always says. But I do have some thoughts that I just want to share with you. I want to share my experience about why I became a Beachbody coach and how it has changed my life. And as the true teacher that I am, I have my notes so I don't forget anything. But I feel like it's important to understand my journey, to understand where I came from. And in 2007, on Christmas Eve, I lost my mom to breast cancer, and that was awful. I was becoming comfortable in a brand new relationship to the man who I married, which is awesome, but you know how you become comfortable. And I was also grieving, and so we spent a lot of time at home sitting in the evenings drinking Diet Coke like it was our job. And I was actually diagnosed with fibromyalgia and was taking a lot of antidepressants. And since I stopped drinking diet soda, all of those symptoms went away. So I know that's not true for everyone, but for me it was. So I'm a huge advocate for not drinking diet soda. But I was also making a 2-hour commute to teach school every day. I was teaching grades K through 8, and I was making a 1-hour commute every morning and a 1-hour commute home every afternoon. And I was sneak eating. I would have breakfast before I left the house, or I would grab McDonald's on the way, and I would have my lunch packed at school, and then I would drive through a restaurant on the way home, and then I would come home and I would still have dinner and dessert. It was not healthy, and it's no wonder that I was pretty miserable and gained all of the weight that I had. And I also had a very draining job. I had a job where I was giving to my kids all day. And then I would come home and very involved in community theater. And so I would go and I would give to those people in that organization all night. And I was giving. I wasn't really taking care of myself. So everything kind of came to a head in 2014. I left my teaching job. It was planned. We told the kids for, a whole year. It was going to be my last year. And that was very scary, not only financially, but just because I had been teaching school for 7 years. I didn't, know what was going to happen next. But as these things often work out, when you take that leap, the net will appear. And 1 month after I left school, I stopped teaching school. I retired. I received an email from the owners of the local dinner theater where my husband and I had actually met and fallen in love. And they wanted to retire, and they wanted to know if my husband and I wanted to purchase the dinner theater. And so we went through that process, and we decided we did want to buy the dinner theater. So it was late 2014, Christmas of 2014, and I was still pretty miserable. I was cast in a production of Christmas Carol, and I did not feel good about my body on stage at all. And a costume had to be specially made for me because I was, like a size 22. And I realized I had some health stuff that was happening. And I kind of had a revelation moment with that. That's very private and personal. I don't really want to talk about that on this video, but maybe personally sometime, if you're interested, you can ask me. But I realized that I was buying this business and that I couldn't take care of my business if I couldn't even take care of myself. And so I started looking for a meal replacement shake because I knew I wasn't going to have much time to eat. And I was obviously looking for one that didn't contain artificial flavors or sweeteners, because I'm allergic to those, hence the Diet Coke, yada, yada, yada. So I found Shakeology, and I just happened to, in that production of A Christmas Carol, there was a Beachbody coach, and it was Megan Yelani, who is the founder of Team Heart Rate Heroes. And she approached, I said, I've been doing all this research about the shakes. It seems like Shakeology really is the best. And she introduced me not only to the Beachbody programs and Shakeology, but also to the coaching opportunity. And I started purely as a discount coach because we didn't have the money for, this meal replacement shake. So I started as a discount coach. and I was just doing the discount coach thing. Then I was doing size. When I started doing size, that's where I really started to begin to see results, along with the 21 Day Fix eating program. And then people started to notice, and I started to notice, and I started to feel better. And I have always been a teacher by nature, and so when something is wonderful and great, I feel the need to share that with others. So I started sharing, and I started to build myself a little business. Just coaching people, just whoever came to me and asked me. Then 5 months after we bought the Playhouse in May, my husband lost his corporate job that he had had for 15 years. He worked for the same company for 15 years, and all of a sudden one day that job was gone. We had just bought a new business. We needed to move to be closer to our business, and it was really, really scary. And we realized that while we were growing our business, one of us was going to need to work part-time. So I explored going back to teaching school part-time. I explored being an autism aide, which is something I had done while I was in college. But none of that was going to give me the freedom and the flexibility to still build my dinner theater business and run my dinner theater business and be available to answer the phones in the box office and to sell tickets and to go to radio interviews and newspaper interviews and do all of those things that I needed to do as a small business owner. So I was earning a little bit of money sharing the Beachbody opportunity, and I said to my husband, okay, let me just try this. It's still teaching. Let me see what happens. And so he is always amazing and supportive. And he was seeing the change in me, not just the physical change, but also the emotional and the mental changes that were happening in me as a person, as a business owner, as a wife, as a mother to our fur babies. Like, I was just growing and falling in love with myself, re-falling in love with myself. I don't know exactly how to explain it, but it's amazing. So I started to take care of myself. What am I trying to say? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm almost all the way through this. Yay! Okay, so, okay, and when did I realize that Beachbody was going to be a substantial business for our family? The story is, this was one of my aha moments, and it's not a very big one. So maybe if if you think you can't afford Shakeology, or you just want to earn just a little bit of extra money. So my husband and I, on one of our weekends away when the dinner theater was closed, we try to sneak up to New York to see new shows. Now, granted, we can write that off as a business trip, most of it, but we can't write off going to the Star Wars costume exhibit, and you certainly can't write off any gifts that you buy in the gift shop. It's not how it works. So my husband saw this little BB-8, because this is his favorite. He saw the little BB-8 piggy bank, and he really wanted it. And we didn't have the money to be buying gifts or to be buying things on this trip, except for show tickets, the hotel, and food. That was it. That was all we were spending money on in New York City for our little business trip. And he saw this little BB-8, and I could tell that he really wanted it. And I had gotten my Beachbody paycheck that day. Payday is every Thursday. And so I was able to buy him this little present that he was able to bring home. And of course we're saving more money in there for our next vacation. But it was just one of those little aha moments that made me realize, wait a minute, I am making this part-time income. I've built myself this nice business on my time that is has helped me to be a better person and has helped me to lose all this weight. When I started, I've lost 30 pounds total since I started Beachbody and Shakeology. Maybe a little more actually, but I've gone from a size 22 to a size 14, 16, which is amazing and feels so good. And I love helping other people reach their goals and accomplish that. And the coaching opportunity has not only provided us a nice, steady part-time income for the things that we want, the things that we need. And it's not, it started as little gifts, but then it's provided me, I had money to buy new clothes when I needed them because I was shrinking, which is a great thing. And it's helping me to pay down my student loan debt. and, you know, and helping us to save for those things, those unexpected things, especially considering when we bought a business, you know, we put a lot of our savings into that. So Beachbody has been fantastic for me. I was skeptical. I didn't like the name Beachbody. I'm a huge advocate for self-love and self-care, and that you can take your body to the beach at whatever size it is. But I know that I am a healthier, happier person now that I have taken control of my health. I'm not as worried about the things that, the health conditions and problems that my family has had, that my parents, the complications that my mom that brought on her death earlier, than if she had been super healthy. So thanks for being here. Thanks for this sneak peek. If you have any questions, please comment below. Let us know, and we're glad you're here and hope that you will be engaged in the group. And yeah, thanks for being here.